Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,570 minus 270 points minus 1.5% was Nifty 50 futures yesterday. Nifty Bank futures 40,000, close to 40,000 levels, minus 709 points, minus 1.74%. So clearly, we saw reasonable cuts both in Nifty 50 futures and Nifty Bank futures as the bears continue marching. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to. SGX Nifty kahan hai? 37 points gain is what SGX Nifty is pointing to this morning. Looking at the charts, 17,500, 17,200, two major supports on the lower side. On the higher side, you have 18,000, 18,150 as the two major resistances. देखिए सब्सटैंशियल शॉर्ट आ गया है निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स में. There's a substantial short which has evolved in Nifty futures. Well, looking at the open interest from options, you're seeing 17,500 as a strike, which is a major put OI, and then 17,000 as the next major level. So 17,500 and 17,000. On the higher side, you have concentration of call OIs at 17,800, 17,900, 17,700 also, and 18,000. So you have a series of resistances which are continuing to build up on the higher side. Bank Nifty, 39,718 is major support zone on the lower side, and then you have 39,500. Resistance being, it's hovering at around close to 40,000 mark. So resistance is being 41,000, 42,000, that range. But then 40,500 is going to be the intermittent resistance as we see. So Bank Nifty, we saw some amount of long unwinding out there. Looking at the open interest from options, the strikes 40,500, 41,000, 41,500. Stiff resistance out there in terms of call OIs. Put OIs 40,000, 39,500 is okay, but 38,000 is substantial put OI. Sorry, 39,000 is a substantial put OI, and 39,500 is the other level which can be considered. Auto Pharma, Voltas, Petronet, top gainers of the day. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Ambuja Cement, top losers of the day. Looking at index contribution, 74 points negative contribution aaya private banks say. So substantial cuts coming in from the private banks. Oil 46 points negative, NBFC 40 points negative, IT 30.48 points negative, FMCG ने 10 point positive का contribution दिया. उसके अलावा बाकी सब counters negative में, सब sectors negative contribution थे. Well, looking at the built up, no long built up, no sectoral long built up as such. Media, NBFC, oil indicating short built up. Long unwinding में infra, cement, realty, metals, most of the sectors exhibited long unwinding. Now, one of the stocks is SBI Life, major support 1119, or you can say 1120 thereabouts. The next major level is 1074. On the higher side, 1189 and 1221. So the counter could be under bear pressure on the breakdown of 1120. तो SBI Life में लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग देखने को मिला है. फिलहाल तो लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग की साइकिल दिख रही थी, पर ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं. मतलब देयर आर नॉट सब्सटैंशियल शॉर्ट्स, देयर आर नॉट सब्सटैंशियल लॉन्ग्स. सो देखा जाएगा कैसे इवॉल्व होता है ये काउंटर. 1200 happens to be substantial call or strike. 1200 strike happens to be substantial call OI, and 1100 is a put OI. The other stock on the radar is Exide Industries. Again, bear pressure में आ सकता है. 173.25 and 152.85. Two major supports. 183 and 196. 195.60, that is. 196 के करीब resistance है. 183 and 195. So marginal shorts out there in the system. Looking at the call open interest, you're seeing a substantial unwinding in the calls, what you're noticing. But it's at 175, 170 and 160 are the two major levels on the lower side. On the higher side, you have 180, 185, 190. Every 5 rupees, there is a substantial OI which is present. So there is a resistance on the higher side as far as call OIs are concerned. And much of these tools can be accessed through Quantsapp.com. One of the iCards would pop up right now. For 25 plus free tools, you could register by clicking on that iCard. So band list is idea. Looking at the summary, and before discussing the summary, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives. Please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. So we discussed about SBI and Exide, both on the negative side. And then long built up, none. Short built up, oil, media, and NBFC. And we already discussed about Nifty and Bank Nifty ranges. So we have both SBI and Exide both under pressure. So let's see how that pans out during the day. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.